Hey David, I spoke to Kim the other day and she had told me I could go ahead and send over this really quick screencast to you. Really just going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business and get customers in the door. These are changes that you can make on your own, so I'll go ahead and jump right on into it. Generally, what I do is I will compare your website to your top 2 competitors and show you areas of growth and opportunity. However, it appears that you actually don't have a website. I have your Facebook pulled up though. And I went to this website here that you have listed, and it's showing up as Polk Sporting Clays. So I don't believe this has anything to do with your business, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I have your Facebook pulled up. It looks like you guys are pretty active, which is good. You guys have provided a lot of photos. I have a video here. So that's definitely good. A lot of people, you'd be surprised, are not as active on their social media platforms, and that's one area in which they could be getting clients and customers in the door as well. So one area of opportunity is definitely actually getting a website built so that you can get that website ranked into the top of Google. I'll kind of show you what that does and how that could benefit you. I have your top competitor pulled up here. Iceberg Cooling. They do have a website here. One area I generally go over first is the area of content. It's important to have a good amount of content on your website in order for it to rank and get in that top position. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and then around 750 words on your back pages. So that's definitely an area of opportunity. I have your top competitor here. They have quite a bit of content, but I don't think they're right at that 1,000 mark. Your second top competitor, again, they really don't have a whole lot of content. I don't think they're quite at the 1,000 mark either. So once you do get a website, or if you get a website, just make sure you do put a good amount of content on there so that Google can recognize that and give you an opportunity to rank in the top position of Google. Another area I like to go over with you has to do with this tool right here. So again, generally I would put your website in here to show you kind of the ins and out of your website, where you've been in the past and where you're ranking at now. Since you don't have a website, I'll just kind of show you your competitors and what you can do to beat them. So again, I have your top competitor here, Iceberg Cooling. One area I wanted to go over with you is the area of keywords. This will help kind of give you some perspective on how all of this works and how this would help you rank your business. So what these keywords are highly searched words in Google. So for instance, when someone Googles AC repair in Lakeland, Florida, that's Googled around 100 times per month. So that's potentially 100 clients that you could be getting in your door if you were in that top position. Right now, they are in the top position of Google whenever someone searches this. Another top keyword gets 150 searches per month. It's air conditioning repair in Lakeland, Florida. Again, that's easily 150 searches, which is potentially a good amount of clients in your door. If you were to service in Orlando, they have AC Orlando here, 200 searches. So there's just a lot of opportunity to get more traffic in the door. If we were to get your website built, get a good amount of content on there, and then if you were to get ranked for these keywords. Your second top competitor here, they're ranked number 1 for Lakeland air conditioning. So again, when someone Googles this, they see this business. So they're more inclined to click on this business and give them their business. So that just gives you a sense of perspective here and why it is important, and it would benefit you to, grow, get a website, get the content on there, and then get these keywords in your website. Another area I want to look at with you is that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website is the area of backlinks. What a backlink is it's pretty much when your website is referred on another website. And more specifically, that other website has a lot of influence and power. So, for instance, it looks like your top competitor has a little over 1,000 backlinks coming from 144 different URLs. Your second top competitor has about 23 backlinks coming from 9 different domains. So there's definitely an opportunity for you here as well if you do decide to get a website running for your business. And then lastly, something Google looks at when it comes to ranking your business and your website has to do with citations. So what a citation is it's pretty much your name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet, whether that be different social media platforms or directories. So of course, the more the better, because you're getting your business out there. Your citations you have is 32. Your top competitor has 44, and your second top competitor has 41. I generally like to double, if not triple, what your competition has, just to make sure you are beating them in that area. Another thing citations do for you in your business is get you ranked in this what's called this Google Map Pack right here. So for instance, if someone Googles AC in Lakeland, Florida, if you were to get your website ranked and get a good amount of citations, you would be in this Google Map Pack here, which is again more exposure, more eyes on your business. So that was just 3 areas I wanted to go over with you. Again, that's the area of getting that website, getting good content on your website, getting backlinks, and then lastly, getting a good amount of citations. I would love to touch base with you if you want to either email me back or give me a phone call. We can chat, kind of go over your business goals. If not, that's okay as well. I just wanted to provide you with this informative video, just going over, again, practical changes that you could make today to grow your business. Overall, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.